bumpy, but today we are going to be going to Ashridge, and we're going to be going on our bikes. We're going to be having lots of fun, and we're going to be going through the whole trail. And we've got camera guy here. It's just me and my dad, which is camera guy, and I'll see you at Ashridge. So guys, I want to do a quick show of my bike, and it's this really cool colour. I love the neon green. The brakes are really easy to use, like that. They're like really easy. They stop immediately. The tyres are really good. The seats comfy, and pedals are good to use. And yeah. So this is my bike. It's a mountain bike, and here's this one. It's got my water bottle in, and really comfy seat. This one's my dad's one, and really good brakes. Tyres, they're good, and the colour I love. It's got lots of writing on, like I said, on the journey here, and it is really good. And I'm in like this really cool forest. It's called Ashridge. It's near where I live, and there's these things that are flying. It's magic. There's one over there too. Yeah, it's magic. There's one over here too. Now that is very magic. This one's got a caterpillar on. If you come round here, there's a caterpillar on it.
Stay still.
Yeah. So probably it's going to go into a cooking like all ones. And yeah, these flying things are really cool. Yeah, it's a really good view from there. You can see like houses over there, and it's like building. Looks like a church or something.
Keep going.
So guys, I really enjoyed Ashridge, and I'm in the back of a van. This is my dad's van / camera guy, because we've just got back from our bike ride. We went 3 miles. Like that's like really long time. That's the highest amount of miles that I could go, and I really enjoyed it. We had lots of fun, and I hope you like and subscribe. So 2 things, and hit the notification bell, so 3. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.